Explain to me. How is Ukraine's scrappy naval drone force revolutionizing naval warfare? Imagine a modern warship worth billions being outsmarted by a device a fraction of its cost. Welcome to the world of naval drones. And perhaps, to a glimpse of tomorrow's naval warfare. But let's step back for a bit. In the beginning, in 2022, the Black Sea was dominated by Russia. But now, their $30 billion fleet hides in docks from scrappy Ukrainian drones. Ukraine, previously losing over 80% of its navy to Russia at the beginning of the war, turned the tide with maritime drones. Effective strikes, extensive damage, and psychological warfare, these drones are doing it all. At a fraction of the cost. For $250,000, these drones zip at 80 kilometers per hour, travel 800 kilometers, operate 60 hours, and pack a punch with a 350 kilograms warhead. All this while a single missile launch from a ship costs $1 million. Innovation and speed are proving to be the key. Ukraine's tech initiative Brave One sped up military tech collaborations, turning ideas into weapons within 6 weeks. Naval warfare is evolving. As Vice Admiral Alexei Nishpapa said, the warfare of the future is a warfare of drones. The message is clear. In the world of military technology, it's not always about size or cost, but speed and innovation. Ukraine marine drones are revolutionizing naval warfare. The success of uncrewed vessels and automation have delivered a Dreadnought Moment, said Admiral Sir Ben Key of the British Royal Navy. This is alluding to advances in propulsion, gunnery, and armor that led the British and German navies to overhaul their strategies in the early 1900s. Navies around the world are facing something completely new, a paradigm shift. Ukraine's successful attacks show navies what types of offensive, autonomous capabilities and tactics they should consider for their own use. On the other hand, the success of such attacks means navies should reconsider their defensive strategies. From US to China, countries are keenly watching. It's not just about massive ships anymore, it's about the small, stealthy, and smart drones. What started in the Black Sea could change naval warfare globally. It's proving that even a country without a navy can still control an entire region with marine drones. Drones might just become the dominant force, ushering in a new era of naval warfare. So the next time you imagine naval battles, think beyond just ships. The future is here, and it's unmanned. This concludes today's mini AI plus military lesson. We hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this mini lesson, don't forget to subscribe for future releases. Thanks for watching.